Background Mitch Videos presents Caillou for Hire 968, Essie and Sons. Requested by JBoss TV.
Well, this I have never heard of. Essie and Sons? Okay, let's do it. Hi, welcome to Essie and Sons. How can I help you? I would like a Jesus rug, please. Sold out. I literally see lots over there. I'm leaving. Hi, welcome to Essie and Sons. How can I help you? I would like a red carpet, please. Sold out. I literally see lots over there. Manager time. Caillou. How dare you be lazy again? That's it. You're fired and banned forever. Get out, now.
How dare you get fired again? That's it. You're grounded for 12 weeks. Room now.